In this video, you are going to learn how to add a new habit to your routine in just 5 simple steps. There's a pro tip at the end. Let's begin. Step 1. Identify and specify your habit. Now this can be learning a new skill, drinking more water, waking up at a specific time, or anything of your choice. But identify them and then make it specific. Let's say you want to drink more water. Specify by saying that I will drink 4 liters of water per day. Or I will work out 1 hour per day for 5 days a week. Or I will spend 3 hours per week learning this new skill. Identify your habit, make it specific, and then write it down. Step 2. Start small but start doing. A lot of times when we try to change too many things at once, it becomes too much and then we give up. Instead, you can pick 1 or 2 habits and focus on developing them until they become your second nature. But be sure to start. Do not wait to start with all the changes at once. It is only going to happen if you actually start doing it. Third step is to make it enjoyable. If you enjoy the habit you are trying to build, it is more likely that this habit is going to stick into your routine. You can do this by finding a gym bro, listening to your favorite music, or rewarding yourself after completing tasks related to this new habit. The first step is to track and reflect on your progress. It's needed to keep track of your progress so that you can see how far you have come. This can be done simply by keeping a daily journal of your progress. It also adds to the motivation factors and increases the chance of your new habit sticking into your routine. Take time to reflect on your progress from your journal. Identify the areas where you're lacking and actively try to improve those areas. Now before the bonus step, this is your moment to consider subscribing to this channel if you like this content. And let's see the bonus tip. As occupational therapists, we encourage our clients to think about their daily routine and find out how they can incorporate this new habit into their existing routine. It is so much helpful if you add the new habit in relation with something which you already do. For example, if you want to drink more water, decide to drink a cup of water every time you take a break from work. Or if you want to start listening to an ebook or a podcast, make it a habit to listen to it while driving to your workplace. Read 10 pages of a book every night before turning the lights off to sleep. The key is to add the new habit in relation to something in your existing routine. So there you have 5 simple steps to add a new habit and change your routine and your life. Remember, adding new habits and changing your routine will take time and effort, but the results are usually well worth it. If you followed any step, remember it's a fall, not a fail. Stand up and start again. Thank you for watching, subscribe to this channel, and let's see you in the next video.